Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing credentials and environment so the first call succeeds. Set your OpenAI API key, install the SDK, and verify network access. Once done, capture or choose a clear image, then write a minimal request. Load the file, call the Vision endpoint, and await a structured response. Make sure to include content type and model name. This first actionable call gives you the raw multimodal output you will parse and refine in the next steps. Once you receive the response, parse the JSON for the fields you need. Recognize text, labels, coordinates, and confidence. You should normalize image dimensions before visual overlays and batch similar requests to optimize throughput. Make sure to handle partial results and operate asynchronously when working with many images. Use structured parsers to convert outputs into application models and log raw responses for debugging. These middle steps ensure accuracy. You finalize by validating results against test cases, applying post-processing like OCR cleanup, NMS for boxes, or confidence thresholds, then saving outcomes to your DB. Deploy with monitoring for latency, error rates, and spending. Optimize by resizing images and caching repeated queries. When deploying, make sure to rotate keys and set proper IAM. If things go wrong, check your API key, quota limits, and confirm payload size and content type. These three resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.